Okay, we are on circle number 3. All right, so we need to identify what kind of line we have. This line looks exactly like the line in number 1. It goes from the same outside edge of the circle all the way to the outside edge of the circle. It's running through the center of the circle. We know we have a diameter. What I want you to do is I want you to try and figure this out on your own. If you are unsure what to do, I want you to go back to video number 1 or referencing circle number 1 because they are the same. The only thing that's different between these two circles is this number 13. This is a number 14. That's the only difference. All of the steps that we did in number 1, you will do again in number 3. Exactly the same. Since you are working on the same paper, you can even look at number 1 since I know you showed your work, and you can figure out how to do number 3 and for the circumference and for the area. This is why I'm having you show your work so you can go back to remember what you did so you can do it again. And I want you to do that reference number, circle number 1, because it's the same step, same process for circle number 3. Remember to show your work. Do not just drag and drop these answers up here. You need to show your work, and you'll start to see these move around. It says all the answers will be used, so they'll all be used. So that way it's like a self-check. By the time you're done, all these answers will be done, and you'll be able to self-check yourself that way instead of asking me what the answer is.